Gini na-akụ. That's the phrase we learned today. Gini na-akụ. It means, what is the time? And to answer that is very simple in Igbo. You can say 8 na-akụ, 8:30 na-akụ, 9 na-akụ, 9:30 na-akụ. That gets you going and gets you conversing with 99% of the native speakers. That is how they would respond to you, all things being equal. But that is not the goal. Even for the native speakers, we are teaching everybody how to speak the pure Igbo. But if you're an absolute beginner, then this is what you want to learn first. 8 nako, 9 nako, 10 nako. And when you get comfortable with that expression, being able to tell the time in Igbo using this format, then you can elevate that skill by learning how to talk about the unit of time in Igbo. Elekere, asa, nako, elekere ise no kara nako, and all of that. So, if you haven't heard about our Street Igbo bootcamp starting this Saturday, don't miss it for anything. It's a crash course and it's going to get you speaking Igbo super fast. And don't be worried about the Igbo you're going to speak. The Igbo you'll be speaking is the Igbo your family members and relatives speak. Go to igbowithprince.com to sign up. Someone was asking when the next session would start. The next session, the last session for this year, is starting this November 8th. So visit igbowithprince.com, fill out the form, and we'll see you in class.